Assalamualaikum students, this is Atya Maqsood, your maths teacher. Today we are going to learn about the area. So by the end of the topic, we will be able to find the area of a shape using square grids, to find out the area of a rectangle and a square using the formula, and to find the area of composite shape. Let's start our topic with the concept of area. The above shapes are the example of a closed shape as their starting and ending point are same. The shaded parts of these shapes tell us the surface that is covered by the shapes. The shaded part tell us the surface. Therefore, the amount of surface a shape covers is called its area. Now look carefully at the given pair of books and think for a moment that which book needs more space? Of course, the atlas needs more space because it has a bigger surface. So our answer is correct. Now look again that which shape needs more space? Yes, the yellow one needs more space as it covers more surface. Now look at these shapes and try to figure out which shape has the larger area. For these pairs of shapes, it is difficult to tell which has the larger area. So what we need to do? To help us find out the area, we can use small squares in form of square grids. Now let us find out the area of those shapes using square grids. For this, let us put the shapes A and B onto the square papers like this. Now here is a question that how can we find the area of a shape which has been drawn on a square paper? We have two ways. The area of the shape can be found by counting the number of squares that a shape covers as 1, 2, 3 and so on, or the area of the shape can be found by ticking the squares that each shape covers as well each one is counted, as shown here. Now coming back to find out the area of the shapes A and B by using square grids. Now look how many squares does each shape cover. Let's start counting the square that a shape A covers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the shape A covers 12 squares. Now we will count the squares that the shape B covers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the shape B covers 10 squares. So we come to the conclusion that A has a larger area than B. Let's solve the example. Example number 1. What is the area of this shape? To find out the area, start counting the number of squares as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, the area of this shape is 14 squares. Example number 2. What is the area of this shape? This shape consists of whole squares and half squares. So, to find out its area, we have to keep in mind that two halves make up one whole square. So, its area will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 whole squares plus these two half squares equal to 7 squares. So, the area of the shape is 7 squares. Now, unit of area. In this square grid, each side is 1 centimeter long And this grid is made up of 24 squares like this. So each square has an area of 1 square centimeter. So we say it as 1 square centimeter and write as 1 cm square. Therefore, the unit of area is centimeter square. Now coming to the area of a rectangle and a square using the formula. Area of a rectangle using the formula. Look at this rectangle. It is made up of 8 small squares, each with an area of 1 centimeter square. So, the total area of the shape will be 8 centimeter square. There is another very simple way of finding the area of rectangle. Look at this rectangle. It has 2 rows of 4 squares each. And the rectangle is a shape that has some length and a breadth. So, to find out the area, we simply multiply the length L of the rectangle by the breadth B. This is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth. Therefore, the formula for the area of rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. Here we have a length of 4 cm and a breadth of 2 cm. And we know that area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So it will be equal to 4 cm multiplied by 2 cm. And that is 8 cm square. So the area of this given rectangle will be 8 cm square. Have a look at the example. We have to use the formula to work out the area of the following rectangle with the length of 8 cm and breadth of 4 cm. We know that the formula for the area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Here length is equal to 8 cm and breadth is 4 cm. Area is equal to L multiplied by B, that is 8 cm multiplied by 4 cm. So your answer will be 32 cm square. Area of a rectangle will be 32 cm square. Now area of a square using the formula. Look at this square. It consists of 4 small squares, each with an area of 1 centimeter square. So, the total area of the shape is 4 centimeter square. We can also find the area of a square by another simple way. To find out the area, we multiply the length by the breadth B as we did for rectangle. The square has a length L and a breadth B. But we know that the measure of the length and breadth of a square is same. Therefore, breadth will be equal to length, or we can say that B is equal to L. Therefore, area of a square will be L multiplied by B, and that is equal to L multiplied by L. So it will become L square. So the formula for the area of a square will be L square. Here we have a length of 2 cm. Therefore, its area can be calculated by multiplying 2 cm by 2 cm. So it will be equal to 4 cm square. That is the area of the given square. Example. Use the formula to find out the area of a square with length is equal to 3 cm. We know that the formula for the area of a square is L multiplied by L or L square. Here we have a length of 3 cm. And we know the formula area is equal to L square, or we can write it as L multiplied by L. Therefore, it will be equal to 3 cm multiplied by 3 cm. And that will be equal to 9 cm square. Therefore, the area of a given square is 9 cm square. Our last objective is to find out the area of composite shape. Sometimes we need to measure the area of shapes which are not simple squares or rectangles. We call them composite shapes. So, a shape that is made from other shapes is known as a composite shape. For example, here is a composite shape. How can we calculate its area? To find out the area of this shape, we have to split it up into two rectangles. So, we will divide the shape into two rectangles A and B as shown here. After dividing the shape into two rectangles, we will calculate the area of each rectangle separately. Firstly, calculate the area of rectangle A. For the rectangle A, we have a length of 5 cm. But to find its breadth, we have to subtract this 6 cm from this 10 cm. Therefore, the breadth of rectangle A will be 10 minus 6 and that is 4 cm. And we know the formula of the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Therefore, the area of rectangle is 5 cm multiplied by 4 cm. That is 20 cm square. Now, for the rectangle B, we have a length of 10 cm. But to find its breadth, we subtract this 5 cm from this 12 cm. So, breadth of rectangle B will be 12 minus 5 and that is 7 cm. Therefore, the area of rectangle B will be 10 cm multiplied by 7 cm and that is 70 cm square. Now, to find out the total area of a given composite shape, we will add the area of both rectangles A and B as area of rectangle A is 20 cm square and the area of rectangle B is 70 cm square. So, we will add both the areas. So, total area will be 20 plus 70 that is 90 cm square. So, the total area of given composite shape is 90 cm square. This is the end of the topic. Now your home task is to do question number 7 of exercise 8B on page number 166 of the book and to do question number 10, 11 and 12 of exercise 8B on page number 167 of the book. Best of luck. Thank you.